Did you ever wonder how many BBs it would take to go through a piece of wood? No? Well, I did. And today we're going to find out. Welcome at Airsoft Base 1. So welcome guys. Today I'm going to start a series which is going to happen the last Sunday of every month. And it's going to call versus BBs. So today is going to be wood versus BBs. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot with my sniper rifle on a piece of wood, dead center. Well, that's the idea. And we're going to see how many BBs it takes before the wood starts to break or the BBs get through. So place your bets in the comments below. What you think is going to happen with the wood? Is it going to break? Is it going to just crack? Isn't going to do anything at all? Will it make just a hole of the BB? Well, we'll see. So this is a piece of wood I will be shooting. It's about 1 centimeter thick, 1.5 maybe. I got my GoPro set up, and this is the gun I will be shooting at. And for the shooting I will be using 0.46 gram BBs, the heaviest I've got. Let's go. So I shot around 10 BBs and not much has happened yet. No cracks, no, just a little scuff there, but nothing spectacular. So let's continue. So it is starting to take little pieces wood out, and we got a nice bulge in there, but yeah, after 30-40 BBs still nothing spectacular. So let's continue. This is going to take a while, I think. So we shot it around 200 BBs now, and as you can see, they're starting to get a hole over here. All those broken BBs from hitting the wood. And then on the other side, here's a piece of wood, and as you can see, the BBs are almost making it through. So it's a matter of time before they make it all the way. So let's continue. Oh, did you hear that? One made it through. You see, one made it through, scuffed off this piece of wood, and made it all the way into my garage shed. So we have ourselves a nice little hole over here. So guys, that was the first video of my new series, and I think it is safe to say when you're hiding behind cover of wood, the enemy has to hit you, or the wood, 200 times. It takes 200 BBs before the BBs starting to get through. And then your enemy has to hit 200 BBs at the same spot every single damn time. But yeah, shit happens. But I think you're safe to say you're safe behind wood cover. This was Airsoft Base 1 with the best of Airsoft. I hope you enjoyed this new series. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Every last Sunday of the month, a new episode will be uploaded at this channel. I thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, to like, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Ciao.